seen that they were starting to really blow up and get started with their career, that was the time I was approached by an international esports organization called Fnatic. So I took some time off from serving Tier 1. I went out to be an assistant coach. I came back. I was the head coach of Cebu's national Dota 2 team for the first, I think it was the first SEA Games that we had in sports. And ever since then, I've just been in either esports or gaming. And I think by now, I'm actually happy listening to them. Some of these people have played against me in the professional esports space. Dalawa sana hindi ako pinabawi. Umalis sila agad. But it's been something that I can see na, now as a sort of an older person in that industry, my job now is actually to build things for people to enjoy in the future. Right? Because I've seen sort of both sides on it. So
yeah, you've definitely seen both sides of the coin, from being a creator to learning about what creators go through right now, and hopefully this time with Lootbox, it's a whole different story. Now, are there actually plans for other communities and gaming circles to be integrated into Lootbox?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I think one of the things that we were talking about when we were conceptualizing, not just the launch in the Philippines, but Lootbox in general, because we have deployed in Malaysia, in Singapore, in India. One of the things we really want to do is give all communities a chance to come over here, because as I mentioned a while ago, the creator economy is breaking, but we didn't say that just the gaming content creator economy is breaking. It happens across the board, and in fact, with the tools that we're trying to build, with the sort of core feature loop that we have, we feel that we can positively impact other communities that just want to share and build those strong communities in the first place. For example, I'm about to make myself even sound more nerdy. Go down. I have a love for example, tabletop games, right? I have a love for Dungeons and Dragons dahil yung tito ko na nag-introduce sa akin ng gaming was something like that. I also have a love for sports because I used to be basketball varsity, I used to be tennis varsity. I love racket sports. Those are two, kung titignan natin on the surface, parang magkain pa sila agad na community, but those are two communities that we want to serve. If you are, because right now I want to play pickleball. Right? If you're a pickleball content creator, you want to create content, you want to stream your training sessions sa gabi, and then you want to make sure that your community is positively rewarded, 100% we want you on board. 100% we want you on board. It isn't just gaming. We're starting in gaming because gaming has some of the most passionate, authentic, realistic people around, both on the creator side and on the audience side. But absolutely, Lootbox is open for everyone who's looking to build a community.
That is great news. So it's definitely open for gaming and non-gaming creators. Basically, anyone who creates content in this sphere right now can be a part of Lootbox for sure. Now, on the side naman of the community, basically your viewers, what are the ways that these are non-endemic viewers can be rewarded? Yung mga non-endemic viewers, how can they be rewarded for these ones?
So right now we have our loot points. That's our in-platform currency. And using that, winning that currency can help you unlock all of the other stuff that maybe you can siguro expect from a streaming platform. Abilities to engage with streamers, stickers, badges, those are all there. But our loot point system is designed in such a way that in the future, if you want to add more features, you can use that in-app currency to afford those features to be able to do so. But as I said a while ago, all commerce on the platform goes back to the creator so that they can upgrade their ability to give back. So what we call that our loot table or a loot distribution table. We had an example a while ago on the drop down. Right? On the drop down, that's just an example, but nothing is stopping the platform from being able to give more material rewards for people. So that's really why we looked at it. Because we looked at it, you have to be a Fortune 500 company, right? You need to be Riot Games, which is one of the largest gaming companies in the world, on Twitch, just to be able to give what is essentially a digital teaching on Valorant. The way Riot Buddy, right? Only Riot can do that. So we looked at it, and then we tried to flip the script. Diba? What if every content creator would just give out something in return, just through the platform itself? So that's why. That is the core feature that we have, and that is the one upon which we try to build everything around. The ability for the creator to give back to their audience.
It's really interesting. So we basically discussed about yung idea of giving back to the audience through in-game rewards or physical items. What other things are in the pipeline for Lootbox that they're developing in the future when it comes to rewarding both creators and their communities as well? Diba?
Yeah, definitely. So we're trying to, obviously right now we're in closed beta. We are very fortunate that the streamers here on stage are part of our closed beta. We're also in closed beta in Singapore and in Malaysia. I think we just wrapped up the one in India. Because we are sort of getting all of this data, we're trying to see exactly what kind of business deals we can close to sort of really augment the ability of the platform to give and support on their creator side. And from that point, kasi it really is sky is the limit for the content creator as to what they want to give back. Obviously, Loot Points is the one that's more right now is functional on the website, but the technology is robust enough that we can handle a lot of different types of reward options in the future.
Now for the creators naman who have had experience already in doing Lootbox, bato ko muna to kay Boss Logie kasi ikaw yung pinaka-OG eh. So medyo na-experience mo na lahat. So I guess for you, what's the pain points na na-experience mo in other platforms when it comes to rewarding your communities, and how has Lootbox solve that problem for you?
I mean, nung nag-stream po ako sa Facebook, ang pinaka-problema po doon is paano ko ma-compensate yung mga tao na nanonood sa akin. So, basically, yung bot picker nila is hindi siya 100% accurate. So, syempre, yung mga comment lagi at the same time. Tapos, yung video na replay at playback, hindi siya, ano ba to? 100% accurate. So, since nag-i-stream na ako kay Lootbox, which is tinry ko na yung beta, 2 weeks na ako nag-i-stream. 2 weeks na ako nag-i-stream. Super smooth, rather smooth. So, pwede mo playback lahat. Tapos, yung comment, right on point siya. So, walang lag, walang delay. And then, if ever gusto ko mag-give sa community ko, 1 click away lang siya. Hindi ka na-download pa ng bot picker, integrate mo sa OBS mo, and then pagka sa OBS mo, lalo pa sa super hassle niya. So, ang ginagandang kay Lootbox is super integrated na siya sa website mismo. So, 1 click away, may viewers na kagad naman nanalo. For example, sabihin natin na nag-IRL stream ako. Kasi, as we can foresee naman na yung streaming ngayon is not only a gaming, it's going to IRL din. In real life, na siya. So, sabihin natin na, okay, in real life, may natuwa sa akin na tao, binigyan ko siya ng merchandise. Kasi sabihin kasi sa chat, sige guys, magbibigay ako ng 20 na merchandise ng archives. Ina-drop ko dyan kaagad, random mananalo. Ganun kaagad, may mananalo kaagad, i-claim lang nila, ship na kaagad sa kanila. That's how crazy easy it is. So, kaya pinadali niya yung buhay namin. So, ayun pinagkaiba, vice versa.
Definitely. So I think also from your standpoint, medyo may mga restrictions when giving away, rewards to your audiences as well, that medyo kailangan pa natin i-modify yung pagsasalita natin and all that.
Yes. Pinakamahirap din po, for example, I can bring up some other apps naman. For example, TikTok, hindi ka pwede magsalita ng basta-basta kasi you can get penalized kagad. Sabihin natin na or-restrict yung live mo. Kay Facebook naman, hindi siya ganun ka-easy kasi may mga delay, back-end, lahat-lahat, alam niya. So, dito kay Lootbox, pwede mong sabihin lahat ang gusto mong sabihin. Now, it can be above age 18 years old or it can be kid-friendly. So, nasa sa'yo talaga yun. So, freedom, para sa amin mga content creator yung nabibigay. Which is, ayun yung hinahanap-hanap talaga namin.
Sharing about you, your experience naman with Lootbox din. Have you had the chance to play around with it and then give away things already? Kumusta experience mo initially?
Not yet. I haven't streamed yet, but I'm here today to learn more about Lootbox, and then later, siguro, or tomorrow, I will start streaming now.
Now, for that, siguro, as you've heard how things work, no? Ano yung hopefully medyo gusto mong ma-experience or perhaps things that you may have seen in other platforms perhaps or maybe things that we're not able to do na gusto sana magawa dito sa Lootbox?
Ang pinaka gusto ko is hindi ko kailangan i-filter ang salita ko. On how I play, especially on how I play kasi I'm very competitive and minsan hindi ko talaga napapansin na or naiisip kung ano yung lumalabas or kung ano yung nasasabi ko. Ano, so yun yung pinaka-isang gusto ko and of course, mag-give back din. And kagabi, pinapanood ko yung mga streams ni Boss Dogs. Kasi ang gabi na yung stream. So, pinapanood ko yung mga streams niya. As in, parang chill na chill lang talaga. And so, yun yung mga excited na kumantay. And of course, to give back din on my audience.
And have you tried giving back to your audience? What were the parang challenges that you were doing it currently at your platforms? Ano yung mga challenges na experience mo?
Currently on my platform, kasi kapag gusto mo mag-giveaway, it's like parang ako yung mag-aasikaso ng lahat. And then I should be the one to contact them, the winners, hingin yung details nila. So ngayon, I'm excited to try na pag nag-giveaway ako, yung Lootbox na 100% yung parang mag-aasikaso.
Definitely more time for you to create and just have fun with your community. Alright, for the other guys naman, so have you also experienced have a taste already of Lootbox and what are your mga setup na gusto nyo sa kanya? Ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo sa Lootbox so far when you have initially tested it with you?
So ngayon first, di pa po ako nakapag-read sa Lootbox. Baka bukas pa po kami nito.
Bukas. Okay, so definitely medyo, I hope you're all excited as well. So, when it comes to, again, siguro same thing with Shelly, ano yung mga challenges nyo rin na na-experience from your other platforms na you think and hoping na medyo ma-resolve nyo dito with Lootbox?
Siguro po ako naman sa TikTok talaga eh. Kasi ano po talaga, trash talker eh. So, lagi po ako naka 10 days ban pag nag-live ako din naman.
Mag-asang ban?
So, mga 10 days siguro. So, hindi na ako nakakapag-live minsan. Tapos, yun din, pag-give back din, mahirap nga kasi minsan, gumagamit ako ng cellphone, tapos pinapa-comment ko lang sila. Tapos pipicturean ko lang, tapos ako kukontak sa kanila para ibigay yung giveaway na ibibigay ko. Eh, sa Lootbox, sa pagkakasama nila, Boss Divo, at Nature, is siya na mismo yung 100% mag-aasikaso para sa akin. So, para sa akin, sobrang goods nun kasi mas less hassle sa amin, tapos mas less hassle din sa mga viewers namin.
Now, kasi siguro for H2 and Yawin, ano yung mga challenges nyo noon pag nagpapag-giveaway kayo for your communities or ano yung mga kailangan yung pagdaanan para lang makapagbigay to your communities?
Ako kasi sa live ko, ako sa totoo lang, di kasi ako palang giveaway sa live eh. Gusto ko lang yung mga viewers ko na natuto sa mga skills ko, gano'n. Ayun yung gusto kong parating. Kasi, pero sa Lootbox naman, yun yung mas madali. Habang nanonood sila sa akin, pero pwede ko sila bigyan ng giveaway. So, yun. Gusto ko may mga natutunan sa akin mga viewers eh, yung gusto ko eh. Di kasi ako palang giveaway.
Actually, kami namin pala giveaway. Pero pag nagpapa-giveaway kami, ayun nga yun, kailangan pa kontakin tapos yung message pa, minsan parang kailangan mo na yan or maging friends, Facebook pa mag-message. So yun parang nasa hintayin pa. So sa Lootbox yun parang mas dali talaga siya.
Definitely. Thank you for those inputs. So hopefully, as we progress with Lootbox, we will definitely see you do your content without restrictions na medyo mas masaya na wala na masyadong ban and at the same time, give you that opportunity really to give out to your communities one way or the other, whether it's through tutorials, through the clip system natin, and syempre, the notes themselves. So yeah. So at this point, of course, we're going to open the floor to our media partners and to our guests to ask around their questions if you have things that you would like our panel here, and of course, Sir Pao to answer regarding Lootbox, and of course, perhaps their own journeys as viewers and content creators as well.